Hi, this is John with WETI. And while I'm always here in my car, I always like to have something around me. And sometimes even people will ask me like, hey, do you have a gum or mint? This is where this icebreaker duo comes into place. So what I like about this is that it has a great flavor overall. You have this strawberry mint, but at the same time, still have this cooling crystals that are going to give your breath a nice smell and a fresh smell that you can go and speak to anybody, and you're just gonna have this peace of mind that you don't smell funky at all. But this guy here tastes nice, it's convenient. I just put it here in any one of the compartments of my car. I don't like this to be laying around so my friends can see it, because they're gonna take some of them. It's gonna be up just by that. But nice smell, nice taste. It's just overall a great flavor, and I'm always like trying to eat something. And the fact that this is sugar free, so it's not going to be adding you lots of sugars or calories to your diet. So this is really good. This was John with WETI. That was my point of view.